Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedshopingguide.com, and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, two hand mixer brands will be going head to head. We have the Cuisinart hand mixer and the Breville hand mixer. Less expensive than stand mixer, a handheld mixer is just the thing for quick tasks like whipping cream or egg whites, as well as everyday baking. Hand mixers are popular among those who cannot afford the more expensive full-size mixers. Sure, they may not have the same visual appeal as stand mixers, but they take up much less space and yet perform the same function as their larger counterparts, with just a little more effort needed. With both Cuisinart and Breville receiving our team's highest 5-badge rating, we put them through their paces to see which one stood out. In today's Brand Wars, you will find all of the information you need to pick out the stand mixer that will truly accentuate your baking. If you are interested in other hand mixers that we have reviewed, do check out our hand mixer review video linked below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the Brand Wars. The first category that these hand mixers will be going toe-to-toe with would be their speed. The best strategy when using a hand mixer is to begin at a modest pace, then gradually increase the speed. More speeds make the transition from lowest to highest smoother. Every hand mixer has a speed setting for whatever purpose you want to use it for. But it's no surprise that the more premium models offer more speeds. This will provide you with greater freedom in the kitchen and a broader variety of functions. The Cuisinart hand mixer's 5-speed option allows it to handle a broad variety of ingredients and can be adjusted to varied mixing rates to get the right consistency in any recipe. This little device is a powerful hand mixer that swiftly and evenly combines cookie batter and produces light and fluffy meringue. We would also like to highlight that Cuisinart provides you the option of selecting multiple models with varying speeds. You may get one with merely 3, 5, 6, 7, or 8 speeds, or you can get the most out of your money by getting one with 9 speeds. The Breville hand mixer, on the other hand, features 9 speeds that provide you with more versatility while also ensuring the accuracy of your mixing load. It can easily adjust between 9 different speeds to do a variety of activities, such as creaming butter, kneading bulky doughs, or folding mixtures without strain. Cuisinart makes a good hand mixer, and although it has a nice range of speeds, it's not as powerful and as quiet as Breville. Thus, we have to give the first point of the match to Breville. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their attachment. Versatility is essential when investing in a kitchen tool. It pays to be able to use one piece of equipment for different cooking elements, and it saves your room by not having to purchase several additional gadgets that perform what a little attachment on a mixer can do. Just as expected, Cuisinart comes with 2 extra long, extra wide beaters for superior, faster aerating, mixing, and whipping. It is also thoughtfully designed with no center post to prevent ingredients from clogging up the beaters. However, if you want to go with more attachments, you will have to choose the Cuisinart hand mixer with 9 speeds because it will surely give you a complete set of accessories. Additionally, the mixer features a beater release lever for easy ejection of beaters. Meanwhile, the best thing about Breville hand mixer is its silicone-coated metal alloy wire beaters that are soft on mixing bowls, whether they are metal, plastic, glass, or ceramic. They minimize clanking sound in the kitchen, which is particularly nice for busy households. Other than that, the kit also includes 2 dough hooks and 2 balloon whisks. While a few other hand mixers include dough hooks, no other brand includes 2 chef's whisks like Breville. It's also good to note that Breville has a trigger release, so attachments can be removed with one hand and caught with the other. Overall, both brands strive for versatility, but Cuisinart has only a handful of attachments, which means that it clearly offers fewer functions than Breville. We also noticed that all of Cuisinart's attachments were shorter than the other models. Although this didn't affect Cuisinart's ability to mix, it was a noticeable difference. With that said, Breville comes out on top in this category. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their design. While aesthetics may not have an influence on cooking performance, it is crucial to choose an item that complements your style and design preferences. Besides, choosing the color of your hand mixer takes up half the fun. Both Cuisinart and Breville come with a plastic casing. Even though the plastic cover suggests it may be flimsy, additional effort is taken to ensure it is solid. Besides, there is a decisive necessity for the lightweight construction as you have to use it while holding it in your hands. It will be difficult to operate for lengthy periods of time if the load is too heavy. When it comes to visuals, Cuisinart flaunts a classic vintage design which is complemented by a minimalist body to make them equally appealing. Not to mention it has a wide range of colors you can choose from, so you'll have extra confidence when you go preparing food. Comparatively, the Breville hand mixer has a silver polished body that makes it stand out and blend in with the rest of your kitchen equipment. Although design is highly subjective, most people would opt to choose one that looks stronger and more long-lasting, especially when it comes to appliances. Aesthetically, we'll have to go with Breville again because its overall modern and metallic-like appearance makes it look more durable and reliable than Cuisinart. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their comfort. It is important to remember that the hand mixer's comfort and weight are just as important as the other features. After all, you do need to lift the machine with all your might. Both Cuisinart and Breville offer maximum comfort and include features expected from most modern hand mixers. Their shapes allow for maximum possible power and balance. They also have stress-free grips that provide unparalleled comfort and control even during extended mixing. Moreover, their swivel cords can shift and lock in place on either the right or left side. So whether you're a righty or lefty, you can mix in comfort. They also have a flat end that also allows you to set the mixer down in between mixes without the attachments touching the counter. And since they are both designed for one-handed control with essential settings perfectly positioned nearby or in the handle to be controlled easily by the thumb, so you will never have to stretch or use your other hand when making adjustments. Despite the stated similarities, Cuisinart raced ahead with its compact size and lightweight at 2 pounds as compared to Breville, which is bigger and heavier at 4 pounds. That said, Cuisinart snatches the point in this category. The fifth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their cleaning and care. You don't want to spend the rest of your energy cleaning up after the hard work and effort you've put in during food preparation. It pays to have an easy-to-clean kitchen appliance to make your life easier. When it comes to cleaning, Cuisinart and Breville are strikingly similar. All of their removable parts are dishwasher safe, and the machine is just as effortless to wipe clean with a damp cloth. We absolutely love the included plastic storage case as it not only conveniently holds all the attachments, including the electrical cord, but the mixer also readily snaps into place on top. The design is fantastic for keeping track of everything when it's not in use, also so you don't have to play hide and seek to find them when needed. Clearly, both brands offer the same benefits in this category. That said, we'll end this round in a tie. The sixth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their unique features. If you are a casual baker or chef or someone who really thrives in the kitchen, an affordable kitchen gadget with so much functionality may come in handy and make things go more smoothly. Cuisinart has pretty basic features such as slide control, where you can easily adjust the speed by sliding the control, and a heel rest that allows the mixer to rest squarely on the countertop. On the other hand, Breville has a number of useful features such as a count-up timer that automatically starts as soon as the attachments begin moving. It works greatly for timing recipes with specific mixing times. In the same place as the count-up timer, you'll see the speed display, so you'll get an idea of what speed level you are on. Aside from that, the ever-convenient pause function holds your setting while you prepare or add ingredients. You will also love the light that automatically turns on and illuminates the mix, which is very helpful especially when you have poor lighting. Best of all, with the Beater IQ technology, the mixer detects which attachment you're using and automatically recalibrates to the perfect speed. With its clever extra features, Breville was by far the easiest and most enjoyable mixer to use. Overall, this model performs almost like a standard hand mixer. If you're not ready to invest in a stand mixer, it could do many of the same jobs without a problem. After looking at the Cuisinart hand mixer and the Breville hand mixer, it was clear who stood out from the two. Breville, without a doubt, is the best of the best with a final score of 5 points, leaving behind Cuisinart with 2 points. It may be an expensive option, but given all the features, it's worth every penny. On the flip side, if you want an affordable and reliable alternative that still gets the job done, then you can't go wrong with Cuisinart. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Cuisinart hand mixer and the Breville hand mixer has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next hand mixer face-off which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at thetrustedchoppingguide.com again soon.